మేడం చెప్పండి. ఈ లైఫ్ స్టైల్‌లో ఇప్పుడు చాలా చేంజెస్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఈ చేంజెస్ వలన చాలా చిన్న వయసులోనే మోకాళ్ళ నొప్పులని, నడుము నొప్పి అని ఇవన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి. పొల్యూషన్ వలన అంటారా? లేకుంటే ఫుడ్డు ప్రాబ్లమ్ వల్ల అంటారా?
See, the lifestyle has changed from active lifestyle to sedentary. Food, we have gone from home food, fresh food to ready to eat food. Tarvata, we are only indoor, no outdoor activities, obesity, bad food, no sleep. Evening to night we do Netflix and videos. So lifestyle has changed badly. That is why we are seeing patients of 60-65 used to come for knee pain. Now 39-40 is coming for knee pain.
Yes.
This is all because the way we are not aware of how to take care of our lifestyle modification. So obesity is one of the cause for your knee pain. Second thing is, like I said, not maintaining good calcium, not maintaining good vitamin D levels. Okay, this is very, very common because we don't have exposure to sunlight. Tarvata, now treadmill is in fashion. Completely everyone is running on treadmill, and then they are spoiling the knee joint. But they don't understand the best exercise if you want to do is jogging, and you can go for swimming. Jogging also in a flat surface. ఇది చూడండి, పార్క్ లో ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్ ఉంది కదా, సో ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్ లో జాగింగ్ చేస్తే చాలా మంచిగా జాయింట్ విల్ బి ప్రొటెక్టెడ్. వేరింగ్ అ గుడ్ షూస్. Now we all are into fancy shoes, fancy chappals and all those things. Try to wear good shoes because the friction will decrease. So whatever load is coming into your ankle joint, into your knee joint will be taken care of. These are small things that we can take care. And once we start taking care at an early age, once in 30-35 only we need to start taking care of our health, then what should come at 65 will come at 70, not at 35. So lifestyle is very, very important. The way you eat, how you're eating, what kind of food you're eating, what is your daily activity, the stress level. Stress low, there are so many changes, so many hormonal changes that will happen in the body. Our body has plenty of hormones that plays role. When you are happy, the hormones are different. When you are in stress, when you are in mental pressure, all the hormones will be imbalanced. So you need to take care of everything. We talk about work-life balance. It is difficult in this competitive world, but at least what is in our control? To take a good sleep, eat properly, eat on time. So all those things if we are doing, definitely our lifestyle is going to be giving it better results.
ఈ మధ్య జిమ్స్ బాగా పాపులర్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. ఎక్కడ చూసినా కూడా రకరకాల ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ అని అవి వస్తున్నాయి. అవి మంచిది అంటారా?
See, gym ki what commonly we are seeing is gym injuries, because they see if you are just going to gym because of the trend, because my friend is going to gym, I will also go to gym, that is bad. If you don't know the proper technique, if you are lifting unnecessary, so many injuries will come. Shoulder injury, back pain, all those things. So gymming has to be very according to the protocol. It should be customized. What will suit me may not suit you, right? What is my activity is different from your activity. So if you gym is not bad, but it has to be under a supervision. Okay, just randomly going to gym and doing weightlifting is not going to help. So gym is good, any activity is good, but it has to be according under supervision.
చాలా వరకు జిమ్స్లో కూడా, ప్రతి జిమ్లో కూడా ఈ న్యూట్రిషన్ ఫుడ్ అని, ప్రోటీన్ డ్రింక్స్ అని అవి ఇస్తున్నారు. అవి ఆరోగ్యానికి ఎంతవరకు మేలు చేస్తాయి?
See, protein, again, there are lots of different types of protein. Okay, so we need to understand which protein is important for us. So supplements, we have seen a lot of patients taking supplements and landing into renal failure, acute renal failure. Especially they take a lot of whey proteins, which is not as required by our body. So if you are taking anything which is under supervision and under controlled values, then for bodybuilding we'd see a lot of people, for muscle building and all, they take. That is okay, but again you have to see what kind of protein you are taking, because they may land into renal failure. We have seen young patients taking excessive protein and coming to landing to acute renal failure, acute kidney failure.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ మధ్య సెలబ్రిటీస్కి కూడా చాలామందికి 30 years లోపు కూడా హార్ట్ అటాక్స్ రావడం, జిమ్లోనే హార్ట్ అటాక్ రావడం, హెవీ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ మూలంగా అంటారా, లేకుంటే ఫుడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ వల్ల అంటారా?
Yeah, see, the point is the type of gym they are doing is not normal, because they spend around 6 to 8 hours in gym. Okay.
Yes.
Second thing is, like I said, for making their body build, body mass and all those things, they take a lot of supplements. So what supplements you are taking is very, very dangerous. Like I said, our body needs a balanced thing, right kind of protein, right kind of supplements, right kind of carbohydrates and other things we need. But if we are giving body added thing, so water retention can happen, and like I said, patients can go into acute renal failure, and all those hormonal imbalance can lead to certain heart attack. Okay, so the supplements I think is the main reason, because we need to maintain. A lot of celebrities, they take diuretics. You know, diuretics is something that flush out your water from your body. So these things are very dangerous. These things affect everything, all the system in the body. So if we are taking all those things, definitely these may be the reason.
మామూలుగా సాధారణ మనిషి ఎన్ని అవర్స్ జిమ్ చేయవచ్చు?
See, gym means you
జిమ్
need
కావచ్చు, వ్యాయామం కావచ్చు, యోగా కావచ్చు,
any
ఏదైనా.
kind of physical activity is good. Make sure that for at least 45 minutes in a day is good enough. You don't need to go and do it for like 2 hours, 3 hours. See, we are not into our lifestyle. General population lifestyle is different from a sports person, different from a celebrity. So we don't need to spend 4 hours in gym. 45 minutes of any activity, whether you're jogging, whether you're swimming, cycling, yoga, anything you do, but it should be 45 minutes to 1 hour is good enough. And if you have good physical stamina, then 45 minutes in the morning, 45 minutes in the evening is good enough for a general population. When we don't need to, when we don't have more straining activities.
ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ పెయిన్స్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు, మోకాళ్ళ నొప్పులని, బ్యాక్ పెయిన్ అని ఇట్లా వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి ఎటువంటి సలహా ఇస్తారు? వాళ్ళు ఎటువంటి ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలి?
Yeah, see, first thing is, if your pain is more than 3 months, make sure that you identify what is the problem, because any pain which is more than 3 months, it is chronic, it will have a reason. So most of the time we think that back pain is because of muscle mechanical back pain, if it will go away. If it doesn't go away, make sure you see the doctor, identify the reason for your back pain. And chala many doctors now for back pain, they give you 2 weeks of rest, 3 weeks of rest. This is wrong, absolutely wrong. No bed rest for any kind of back pain, knee pain, because when you are resting, again your muscles are becoming weak, and they give you belt. And what patients will do, they will wear the belt for like 12 hours. Sometimes they will sleep with belt. So this is so wrong, because it is damaging to the patients more. You see, patients of neck pain will come with cervical collar, and they don't want to move their neck also. They think something will happen. No, that is wrong. That is restricting your muscles. So the most important thing is, first go see a doctor, identify what is the reason of your pain, and then take if little physical activity is okay, if your pain is more, then try to take a treatment in any form. Could be in form of tablets, could be in form of rehab. Now, like I have my pain management center where we do with small injection techniques, so you don't need to suffer with pain. So first thing is, if it is chronic more than 3 months, first identify the reason of your pain, don't ignore it.
ఓకే, ఎటువంటి ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలి?
Any food which you have taken from your birth till now is the best food for you. Don't go for this market thing that this is the best, this is best, this is organic food, food. This is all market driven, because Indian economy runs on market. Okay, so you see, when our grandparents were there was nothing like organic food. They used to go to farm, take it, eat it. So whatever food you have taken from your childhood is the best food, provided you are taking it in a proper quantity. So this organic driven food is just market oriented. Don't go, don't run behind it. Any kind of fasting, intermittent, keto, this, that is all market driven. This is all to run the economy. Don't, whatever suits you is the best. In my clinic, we follow one rule. We want our patients to reduce weight. We tell only one thing: whatever you are taking, take, but in 50% quantity. If you eat 2 dosa in the morning, eat 1. If you eat 1 bowl of rice in the afternoon, eat half. If you take 2 chapatis at night, take 1. And I have seen tremendous results in my patient. If you do this consistently, we have seen such good results in our patients.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much. Okay.